Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to delete or how to remove any friend of your friends list on Monopoly Go. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to go and open Monopoly game here. Go to your launcher and open the game Monopoly Go. And just wait a few seconds until the game is loading and this bar gets to the end. Once this bar gets to the end, you can choose play with friends or play as guest. Do whatever you want and then start the game. In here, in the main page or in the interface of the game, you can see down this bar, it has from the left to right, wins, build, album, and friends. Friends is the last option on the right. So click on it, and then once you click on friends, as you can see in the first section, you can see add friends. The second one, it says timeline. And the third one, it's called leaderboard. Click on it. And here you can see global, locals, and friends. Just that one friends. This list should has a lot of friends, but in my case, there's no one to add that who plays Monopoly Go. But just in case, if you have friends here that you would like to remove, for example, as you can see this one, you're gonna tap on it, but I cannot tap on myself. But if you have a friend, just tap on it here, and then you'll have an option that's called remove. It should be a red option or a red button. It's called remove. Just click on it, and that's how you can remove a friend from Monopoly Go. So please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.